Moyen, hello everyone. I wanted to share with you a fantastic piece of news. On Saturday I received a distinction which is called Dicks-Rodange-Lentz. It's a distinction for remarkable service to the Luxembourgish language. You can see it here. What's really amazing about this distinction being awarded to me is that I'm the first person to have received it whose mother tongue is not Luxembourgish. So this is a big first. The award itself has been given since 1984. The first person to have received it was Pierre Werner for having introduced the Luxembourgish language into the constitution of the Grand Duchy as a national language. As you know, it's one of the three official languages of the country, actually national language. And so I'm really excited to be, in this league of amazing promoters of the Luxembourgish language for my learning materials that I published throughout the years since 2004. There is an inscription here with my name, so it's really great. Dem Clara Moraru für ihren Einsatz für ein Sprooch, and the date. And it comes with a diploma that explains a little bit the history and some details about each of the three Dicks-Rodange-Lentz, who are really like the big names of the Luxembourgish literature, so like the biggest names. So I'm super excited, super honored. I would like to thank Actioun Lëtzebuergesch for having honored me in this way, and I will talk to you very soon with some other fantastic news. This year is going to be amazing, so I'm happy to share this moment with you and this joy, and I hope you all have a fantastic time. And if tonight at 7:30 you have time, RTL is presenting an interview that they've done with me on Saturday, so you will have more details about the award and some of the work that I've been doing. So talk to you soon. Adi, bis geschwind.